For today's Canva quick tip, I wanted to cover how you upload, because there are so many options to upload. Hi, I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. I'm going to go straight over to my Canva screen and go through all the options for uploading. You can upload all kinds of formats to Canva. And to begin with, what I want to show you is how you can upload from your home screen. I'm going to close down my thumbnail because it covers up some of the options that we have. And here you can see upload. And you just click on that. You can drop your files in here, or you can browse. It says Canva supports images, videos, and files. How much storage you have does depend on whether you have a free or a pro account. Let me just browse some things I want to upload. I'm going to upload one of my images from Be Your Own Graphic Designer, which is a platform where you can get colorful and unique images to use in your Canva designs, in your videos, or in your social media. I'm uploading this directly for you, but a lot of our images are already on Canva. If you look under elements, type in BYOGD and you'll find them. You need a pro account to use them for free, but you can buy them from Canva as you go along. It's come up as a photo because it's a PNG and it's sized for Facebook. I'm just going to click on edit. At this stage, I can add the filters, I can adjust my image, I can remove the background if I want, but I just want to use it in a design. So I'm going to click on use in a design, and it's sized it perfectly in a design. And now I can do whatever I want. And if I want to find my image to use again, I simply look in the uploads folder and you can find it under images. I could then move it to a folder to store it away. Let's go back to the home page. And again, I'll minimize my video. And where it says create a design, I click down there. You can see here I can import a file. I'm going to import one of these images. And this time, rather than adding it to a design, it's gone into my projects. Under my projects, I have folders, designs, and images. If I go to images, it should be under there. And there you can see the image we've just uploaded. I can now use that in whatever design I want. I'm going to go back to home, click on social media. So this is yet another way you can upload. And here you can have the upload to edit a photo and change it. Again, it's exactly the same method. It's going back to my downloads file. I can upload the information. I put out a magic write if I wanted to, because it's a PNG. I open that. I've recorded several videos on photo editing apps. You can see how you can change a photo once you've uploaded it. And if I click on using a design, it'll just drop that into a design for me. As I created this in Canva originally and have downloaded it, it's now become a photo. If I wanted to change it, it would be very difficult because I can't now access these. So if you're just trying to change your own Canva designs, go back to your original design rather than trying to edit the version that you've downloaded. While I'm here, I'm going to show you how you can upload from the design screen. Added a page. I'm going to go to my & Co, which is my brand kit. I have lots of images. I'm just going to take out this frame, which I've got as one of my standard images. And you can see I can upload my logo here. But that's because I have a pro account or Teams account, and that allows me to have all these different images in my brand kit. If you have a free account, you can have 3 colors and you can't upload logos or fonts. I'm going to go back to uploads here. And this would let me use any of the images I've already uploaded, or a video, or an audio. But what I'm going to do is upload a file from here. If I click on the 3 dots, which always gives you more information in Canva, I can upload it from a Google Drive, a Dropbox, I can upload it from Facebook or Instagram, if I've connected my accounts. And I'm just going to do a straight upload again from my downloads file, and I'll put this lady in. I'll click on her, adjust it. Even this lady would find it easy to upload into a design in Canva. I'm now going to go back to home. One of the extra things you can upload, which is part of the brand kit, is fonts. My brand controls. And I scroll all the way down because I have so many images in here. And here, because I have a Pro or Teams account, I can add new. And I've uploaded fonts before because they weren't available at the time. I click on add new, and I have something called Christmas fonts, where I was looking for some different fonts. Let's add in Beyond Wonderland. And it's a true type font file, which is acceptable. And if I click on open, I'm going to go, yes, upload. Now I'm uploading a font as well. And this font will now be available for me to use in any design. Just to show you, let's go back to this design. And if I go to add text, I have my set fonts here. I've clicked add a heading, and now I want to find my new font. If I go to the font options and I type in Beyond, and I didn't even have to get to the D in Beyond, I can then change this. And you can see it's changed to my Beyond Wonderland Christmassy heading. In terms of all the kind of things that you can upload, there are so many options. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.